Photos are a great way to share what has been happening in and around your school. The School Communicator lets you upload photos to specific categories, making it easy for parents to view the pictures that interest them most. Click the blue Upload Image button at the top of the page. It is important to note you need to have the latest version of Adobe Flash Player installed to use the gallery function. If you don't have the latest Flash Player, the admin system will let you know and provide a link for you to download the player from Adobe for free. Click the Upload button. Navigate your pictures on your computer to find the picture you want to upload. And then click the Open button. The link to the image will now appear in the image upload window alongside image file. You will need to select the category to which the picture belongs to from the drop-down list. The system will automatically group all photographs which has the same category name. You can add an optional caption to the image once you are satisfied with the information you have entered. Click the Submit button. Your photo should appear on the School Communicator within 20 minutes, depending on your internet speed. To add an additional photo to the same category, follow the same process. Make sure you select the same category name in the category field. Uploading multiple images. You can also upload multiple images to save you time. Follow the same process, and when you have found the images on your computer, hold the Control key down on your keyboard and click the various images. Select the correct category and add a caption. Note the caption will be the same for all the images to keep it general. Click Open and all the image files will appear in the upload box. Click Submit once you are happy with your selection. If you need to delete an image, simply load the gallery page and scroll down the list of images. Once you have found the photo you want to delete, click the blue Delete button, which you will see when you scroll down and over the image. If you wish to delete all the photos in a category, click on the Delete All Images in this category button. To edit an image, go to the photo you want to edit. Click the blue Edit button. You can now edit the information of this photo. Remember to click on Submit once you are finished. Categories. To view your categories, click on the blue View Categories button. The list of all your categories will appear. You can also edit and delete them from here. Adding a category. You can add a category by simply clicking on the blue Add Category button. Type in the name of your new category next to the category title. Opening photos on the communicator. To allow parents to download the image in your gallery to print or save them onto their computers, go to the Configuration tab. The box next to Allow Large Gallery Image Downloads and click Save. Parents will now be able to download and save all the photos on their communicator onto their computers. If you don't wish for parents to have this functionality, please make sure the block is unticked.